Unfortunately, the problem of hatred is rising. We are all facing this problem. Muslims, others, everyone is suffering at one point or the other. This is a serious problem, and it should be solved on every level, on the social level, on a religious level, on a political level. Hatred, I believe, stems from hating life. So people who hate life, they hate everything that is attached to life. And people who love, they love life, and then they love every living thing. The moment we step over our values and then we go into violence, we go into hatred, there is unrest in the society. So we should work together, love each other, at least to save humanity, to save the planet.